I knew Brigadier General Oluka well because I was the Director General of Internal Security Organization when he joined the organization in 1987. And I worked with him until I left the organization in 1996. I again worked with him from 2021 up to today, when I was minister and he was the Director General of Internal Security Organization. We recruited him after thorough investigation of his conduct and his character, apart from his education. At that time, we were building a new intelligence service which was going to be different from those Uganda had had since independence. The General Service Unit, the State Research Bureau, the National Security Agency, which were all anti-people services. As you know, the government of Uganda before the NRM came into power exercised state-inspired violence, and the intelligence services excelled in achieving that. Therefore, when NRM came into power, our big task was to build a pro-people security service. Indeed, His Excellency, the President, made sure that there was a law to govern the intelligence services. The Security Organizations Act of 1987. It was through that process that we identified young Charles Oluka, who was an engineer at Soroti Flying School. He came and joined the Technical Department of Internal Security Organization, and he excelled in his duties. We thank His Excellency for identifying him to lead the organization. And we know that when he came to Internal Security Organization, he stabilized it because it was somewhat wobbling. We thank the people of Teso and the family We know he still have had his parents, they are around, for giving him to us, serving in the internal security organization, but serve Uganda. We appeal, as we mourn him, that his attributes should be emulated by others. He has gone at a time when we still needed him. He was a unifier. He was an Ateso, but he was a Ugandan. And he worked for all of Uganda. Yes, there should be clapping. That is very important. Many people do not know how to respect their culture, but also combine it with patriotism and Pan-Africanism. But General Oluka was both. We still need a lot of work to do in security. We are aware that in this area there is a bit of insecurity coming up, commanded by young people. We need vigilance and to work with the security services to curb them down. Mrs. Oluka, we know that he has left you with a young family, but as the Deputy CDF said, we shall be there for you and to make sure that the family remains united. He has left big children. Some of them are already serving in the internal security organization. I know a deputy director, so there is no need to fear. In the interest of time, Your Excellency, we know the church is already short of time, and my brother, the CDF, consumed a lot of our time, but for good reason.